In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up in Metabase. If you're new to Metabase, it's a powerful open source business intelligence and embedded analytics platform that helps you explore data and share insights without a lot of setup. We'll walk through the sign up flow clearly and carefully so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your preferred web browser and head to the official Metabase website. Make sure you're on the correct domain and that your connection is secure. You should see the Metabase homepage, which highlights its analytics features and solutions. Next, look for the Get Started button. This is the main call to action that takes you to the sign up experience. Go ahead and click it. You'll land on a page where you can begin creating your account. The layout is straightforward and the fields you need are right up front so you can move quickly. Now click into the field labeled Work Email. Place your cursor there and get ready to type in your business email address. Using a work email helps organizations manage access more easily, and it's often required so your account can be associated with your company domain. Take a moment to enter the full address carefully. Accuracy matters here. Mistyping even a single character can prevent you from receiving important account messages later. After that, click into the password field. This is where you'll create a strong password for your Metabase account. Aim for a long, unique password that mixes uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid anything you've used elsewhere and steer clear of common words or predictable patterns. Many sign-up forms will show a strength indicator, so if you see one, use it as a quick check that your password meets best practices. Once you've added a password, click back into the work email field to double check what you typed. This quick review is worth it. Confirm the domain is correct, make sure there aren't extra spaces, and watch out for lookalike characters like hyphens and underscores. A clean, accurate email helps ensure your account details and notifications reach you without delays. That's the core of the sign-up flow. Arriving at the official site, starting from the Get Started button, focusing on the work email field, creating a secure password, and verifying your email entry. With these details in place, you're set up for a smooth onboarding experience in Metabase. Thanks for following along, and you're now ready to move forward with your Metabase account setup.